Hi, Darren here with Wags Valve with some cost-effective information for condos, HOAs, and property owners. Did you know 75% of water heaters fail within 12 years with the average water damage claim of $6,965? Advanced planning with a Wags Valve ensures mitigation against property damage due to a failing water heater. The Wags Valve has been protecting properties for over 20 years from leaking water heaters. Take a proactive approach before disaster strikes and the stress of it all. The Wags Valve offers a simple, smart, low-cost solution and no property damage, no insurance claims, no loss history, no restoration, no mold remediation, no worries. The Wags Valve, the original and only 100% mechanical water heater safety valve on the market. The original since 2002. Are you involved with HOAs? Are you a CAI member? If so, reach out to us for special discounts and benefits. And remember, a Wags valve requires no electricity, no batteries, no wireless signal, no maintenance, and no worries for the property owner. If you have any questions, reach out to us at 844-438-9247. We'd love to hear from you. The Wags Valve, simple, smart, with over 100,000 plus installed. Wags will watch so you don't have to.